Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick review on this Neiko socket set. Has standard from 5/16 to 3/4, metric from 8mm to 19. There's 44 total pieces. It's all 3/8 drive. They're impactable grade sockets. They're 6-point, not 12-point, which in my experience, I've had the 12 points and I'm kind of fed up with them, so I'm going to try these 6 points out. I'm pretty excited. This is the back of the box that they come in, just kind of talking about what's inside. Comes in a nice Neiko hard case. Nice latching mechanism to open it up. All of them, as you can see, are laser etched, totally marked so you can find everything nice and easy. It comes oiled so that they definitely don't rust or anything. Not only are they beautiful laser etched, but every single one is also stamped so that if you damage that etching or anything, or it wears off through use, you should still be able to identify all of your stuff. There's the 6-point for you, impactable. These are just gorgeous sockets. I've been wrenching for over 10 years and I'm totally ecstatic for the price I picked these up for. You can find them for $60 on Amazon.com. I'll have a link in the description. If you want to see the level of abuse that I'm going to put these sockets through, please check out my YouTube channel at Baker Rebuilds.